In this Python course, you're going to be learning a lot of basic things to get you started in the Python programming world. So if you're wanting to learn Python programming for data science or even web development, then you are in the perfect place right here to learn Python. Hi, my name's Rob. I'm going to be the one that's going to be taking you through this Python Fundamentals course. I've taught many of courses before in person to large groups as well as small groups. And to be honest with you, going through this course, you don't need any prior knowledge in Python or programming in general to get something out of this course. It goes from the very basic levels, which is why I call it the fundamentals of Python. And so as far as the modules go, we're going to start you off by making sure that you're able to get Python to run in your Visual Studio Code. That's what we're going to be utilizing for our videos. And then of course you'll be able to go ahead and get started through the basics that the modules have set out here for you. Now I do want to make sure that you remember this, that this is not a sprint. It's going to take some time, it's going to take some practice, it's going to take some repetition in order for you to fully gain on some of these concepts. Now that's why in our modules we're going to not only include the lesson, but they should also have some challenges for you to complete, and then we'll also provide the set of explanations that kind of go along with it. So if you're feeling stuck at any point, please feel free to reach out, as well as you can even attend to some open office hours that we offer. So good luck in the course, and let's go ahead and get you set up in your Visual Studio Code so that way you can progress throughout the modules. I'll see you in the next video.